Hello and welcome back, everyone. So let's do a quick recap. In the previous videos, we have looked at the user journey of how to get the wallet up and running and loaded. And then we looked at it from a operator perspective of how to get access to the operator portal and start registering your application and getting an application key to start taking payments. Finally, what we did was to actually make one of those payments using the QR code method and settled several transactions using that way. Now, what we're going to do today in this video is to actually look at the full wallet as a service feature, that where you as an operator can have a built-in wallet that the user can have, and they authenticate once, and you can draw payments using that wallet to really seamlessly make payments for your end customers. A key aspect as well is that, of course, we want the user to never leave your user interface. We want your brand to be in the forefront. The only thing we do is to make sure that you can feel safe that the payments are happening. And of course, due to the nature of the digital wallet, is that they come with money as well, right? So the user has funds available so that their decision to actually do travel more sustainably will be much easier. So let's jump right into it. I have, in the meantime, I have also created another type of application under Eljun called Bus2Go. And this is just a application that allows me to sell bus tickets, right? I have my API key, and then I also have not that much else than that, right? So let's jump into the actual demo of itself, right? And here's the demo, right? And if you look at what it is, it's a typical map interface where you can find your services. You have some search, and you have some options, right? So I want to buy a ticket in this case, right? And again, I have taken the freedom to sort of rebuild a thing. This is not a user interface I think is necessarily the best for you. It could be. You decide how you want this to work, right? But I just wanted to highlight how you can do this. And in Stockholm, we have the public transportation. You can buy adult tickets, you can buy the discounted tickets, etc. And you would select, okay, I want to buy one. Fair enough, that costs this much. And then I can choose to pay with card or Swish using your existing PSP, right? But here's where I added the functionality to actually connect the Eljun wallet. And you do that by logging into using this button. So what I need is to, of course, provide the typical bank ID login process using the bank ID system. And this will then allow me. So let's do that. I will be provided with a QR code. I will connect using my bank ID here on my test device. Let's do that quickly. And then now I've done it. And now you see I actually do have connected my wallet into this application. Now let's just quickly take a look at what that looks like from the app. Right, so here we have it, and here you see now this part has been changed where I've given Eljun AB access to my wallet. All right, so this is a way for you as well. So you can go in here and you can say, okay, this application has access to this. I can, of course, disconnect that wallet if I don't want Eljun AB anymore to have access to it. However, in this case, I do want. So let's jump back into the demo. And here you see now I have connected it. And this application knows my balance. It costs this much. It's literally just a one-click pay. Now let's say that, okay, I didn't want to buy this one. Okay, now I want to go back. Now I need a ticket. And you see, now I'm connected again. I don't have to log in again. Of course, if I disconnect it from my wallet in the mobile application, then it will not work. So let's make that payment. Right, so that's all you would have to do. I do, of course, recommend to have some fingerprint verification or something in your application. But again, it's up to you how you want to do it. It's your relationship. And that was it. Now you have thanks for your purchase, and this is a QR code that you would then show on the bus ticket. Right. Then let's take a look at what this looked like from the operator perspective. Right. So if we go back into the operator portal, we can go to the billing, and there you see, now we have another payment. You saw how easy that was. There was no need to have any manual steps, nothing like this. It's all available for the consumer to actually go in and make those payments. What we've seen a lot is the beauty of that one-click payment, right? So let's say I've gone to work and now I need to get home. I will go in here and then I will just do it again until it doesn't come out. And then, of course, if you reach not enough funds, then you will check, do you have a credit card connected? Then you will still allow the payment to go through. But if not, then just say, insufficient funds, use an alternative payment method. Again, it's up to you how you want to have your user journey, right? So that comes to the conclusion of this series. If you like what we're doing and want to get involved to really help us drive an incentive and motivation to adopt more sustainable transportation, reach out to us. We'll be happy to help, and see you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.